Hello everyone, today I am doing the unboxing of my new Galaxy Z Flip 7. It is that coral red, which is awesome. I noticed right away, kind of like the Razr, that the screen on the front is full now. Okay, so I am using Smart Switch right now from the old phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, to the new phone, which is the Z Flip 7. This gold one is the Z6 and this new one is the Z7. I have 48.6% because I am transferring everything. This is what the Z Flip 6 looks like right now. And this one is gold. So as you can see, the front screen still has this square. The front screen still has a little bit of a square here, and you can see that it's not the full screen. Now the new one does have a full, and it's still in the case. It has a full front screen, which is completely different from the 6. So they kind of, did like the Razr, and it doesn't have that indentation like an envelope here, which looks like a manila envelope. It's actually the full screen this time. So this is the full screen. And the phone is just a slightly bigger than the 6, not too much, but I do notice it's a little bit wider. Like all phones in this series, you have to really be careful and protect the hinge. So I did get 2 cases. I always prefer 2 cases just in case I want to switch off between the 2. I really want to show off that color. So I have one that's clear and it's kind of gold. And then I have one that's just straight clear. This is what this one looks like. Like I said, it's clear. It has a gold rim, but it's clear on the back and on the front, so I can show off that nice red, coral red color. And then this one has the screen protector already in it. And then the clear one has hinge protection as well. And it's clear. Now the glass, it's tempered glass, you actually have to put in, so it'll be like that. I finished transferring all the data from the Z Flip 6 to my new Z Flip 7. I have a clear case on it right now. There is a protective covering over this part right here, and I'm really enjoying the phone. I'm just customizing it a little bit more. On the old phone, I had some apps on here, so I will add apps to this screen here, but it is all set up. This is 512 gigs. The old one was 256.